Hello everyone, welcome back to Flying Bees, your go-to channel for quick and easy recipes. Today I have a simple yet delicious recipe to share with you, that is tuna. To start off, we'll need some chopped onions, ginger, garlic, tomato and one chili. Let's begin by heating up a pan with some oil. Now add the chopped onions and saute them until they change the color. Next I'm going to toss in the ginger and garlic and the green chili and let me cook until fragrant. Now I'm going to add some meat masala for flavor. Be mindful not to make it too spicy. Now after about 10 to 15 seconds, I'm going to introduce the tomatoes to this mix. Once everything is well combined, gently add the tuna. Let it heat through for a minute or two. And voila! Your tuna dish is ready to be enjoyed. Now it's time to savor this delightful dish. I hope you give it a try and enjoy every bite. This recipe is perfect for busy bees like us, who is looking for a quick and tasty meal option. Guys, if you like what you see, don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and family. And also remember to hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more exciting videos from our channel. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy cooking. Bye.